The TimeLock documentation mobile apps set a new standard in professional inspection and commissioning documentation. Our suite offers 6 powerful and convenient apps for the construction, facilities, and service repair industries. A pressure test app designed for plumbers, pipe fitters, service techs, and inspectors. An electric panel app tailored for the needs of electricians and solar panel installers. A landscape app for landscape contractors and facility managers to document landscape maintenance. A snow removal app that lets contractors and facility managers log snow removal and winter treatment applications. A mechanical report app for repairs and punch list items that also includes invoicing, change orders, and work estimates. And a specialized solution for our enterprise customers, TimeLock Documentation B2B, which lets larger companies create custom forms and workflows to integrate into their existing systems. The TimeLock documentation system digitally signs and watermarks time, date, and GPS-stamped photos to provide vendors, customers, and engineers with secure documents, certifications, and reports. The apps even include embedded plumbing code, mechanical code, and electrical torque settings, making it possible to create detailed commissioning, testing, or repair documents from anywhere. Work can be certified on the spot with electronic signatures, and the app's data is stored in an SQL-backed database, making it easy to view files by date, project, system, and client in a wide range of database software. We can even customize our process to fit the needs of your company or facility. The TimeLockDocs apps improve accountability and give clients, engineers, architects, building owners, and government agencies detailed proof of work. Manufacturers are requiring more detailed documentation as well, so using our patent-pending instant documentation technology could even lower your institution's insurance risk. Streamline your inspection process, save money on maintenance and inspections, and reduce errors with TimeLock documentation.